Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinwe Izukane and I have another wigging video for you all. And today I am making this wig with this piano color human hair. It has been used before. My client actually brought it in for wigging, and then after the wigging process I'm going to be modeling it to see how it looks on me. So I've finished installing the closure. It is sew in, as you can see. I'm just going to allow you to enjoy the finished look of this wig, and I have a lot of wig tutorial videos as well, videos that are detailed, and they will teach you how to install the closure and how to make a wig from scratch to finish. So please do well to check them out. I'll also link them up in the description box. I also want to thank my new subscribers. Thank you, and you're welcome to the family. And also, if you're watching and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. And my friends that have always been here supporting me, thank you so much. And this hair is beautiful. Please, I know you have your comments. Please leave me your comments and give me a huge thumbs up as well. And I said earlier that I also modded the hair, so wait for it and I'll see you there. I love the texture of this hair. It's soft, it doesn't have fallout, and again it takes heat. It's lightweight. I love the length. I think the hair is just perfect. I love the color. It's calm. I love the volume. It's not so full, it's not scanty, it's just perfect. I love it. Now there's a lot about how this hair is making me look. It's giving me life, it's giving me class, it's giving me softness, it's giving me elegance, it's giving me like rich auntie vibes. Like, I love this hair and how it looks on me. I look so different, but in a good and fabulous way. Let me know honestly your opinion about how this hair looks on me. I will be waiting seriously to catch them, okay? I'm actually falling in love with colors, and I did review another wig that I made, and they are really close in color, and the other one is longer, and you can see how gorgeous I look in both of them. So please, if you've not watched the video on that particular hair review, that was the ombre hair review, please go back and watch it. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed watching. I cannot really get enough. Okay, so I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all greatly. I'll see you. Bye.